Person I'm touching right now, whenever I shake your hand like this, you swear. The person next to you just pinched your ass.
Linda.
Linda, nice to have you here. Oh, good to meet you, Linda. Nice to have you here. All right, Linda. And Lizzie, Linda, everything okay? Okay. All right, Linda's friends, make some noise. Okay, with Linda tonight. Big group over there. Excellent. Nice to have you here, Linda. Good to meet you. Good to. All right. What? That's your son? What's the problem here? Guys, have a seat. Okay, have a seat. What's that?
That's my son.
That's your son too. You guys are married? Are you shitting me right now? Okay, hold on. Let's go on over. Okay, so it's like a family affair up here. All right, so okay. Are you shitting me right now?
In Chad we trust. Hit subscribe now, that's a must. Chad munch. Let's go. Sit back, unwind, I expose the fakes every single time. Yeah, you know what I came to do. We gon' share and laugh at every single fool. Now, hop in the driver's seat. Come witness the masterpiece. Got these fakes all mad at me. Be real or you got to leave. Psychic liars, fake gurus. So crazy, must be cuckoo. Guarantee you gon' laugh a bunch. Here with the Chad munch.